We are pleased to show you the 2024 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, hill descent control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, 4-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.